Today I thought I'd do a little video on preparing your spinning wheel for hand spinning. Some of you may not have spun in quite a while. Maybe you have time right now to start spinning again. And I just wanted to show you kind of the steps that I take in that. Well, one thing is you never store your wheel with the drive band fully tensioned on the wheel and the whirl. And I wanted to show you as well that, I don't know if you can see it, but this is pretty white. This one that's in the case. This one is yellowed, so either sun or just age, probably just age, it kind of oxidized. So it's not going to be as strong and as stable, it will be kind of stretched out. So I'm going to have to put that on my shopping list of something I will have to eventually change out, and of course it'll bust when you really need it not to bust. I want to show you other things that I have in my kit. So this is just my repair kit that I have, that I built when I was doing Master Spinner. Just things that I thought I would need in case, especially during my level 6 exam, that was the worst time for anything to go wrong on your wheel, something to bust. So I bought these little extra bands here, tensioning bands. I bought, where is it, on the bottom here, I have some extra footmen, because any of these plastics will age and they'll get brittle and they will bust, and you don't want that during an exam to happen. But here's what I use for lubrication. One is, this is a white lubricant. I got a hobby store. I use this on places where the wood attaches to something else. This is either a plastic thing or a metal, wood and metal. So you don't want to put the oil on, lubricating oil on wood. This is my lubricating oil, and I will show you where I put this, when I can change this video and get a little closer up, where I will put this. And I like this really long because it helps me get into some really deep crevices in here, back there. I just kind of prefer that. Also, you should have a collection of various tightening and untightening things, different tools that you'll need. I have Allen wrenches here of various things. I also have a fine grit, so rarely, but sometimes a little burr might develop, especially on the bobbin, that I just need to rub that off a little bit. So this is my little kit that I always took with me, and I still take with me whenever I go on a workshop, so that I can make the repairs as I need them on my wheel. So that's it for right now. I'm going to do some of the oiling. I will show you maybe a little bit closer up where I'm going to oil in a next little video. And then we're going to show you how I kind of get back into the practice of spinning. Okay, so I'll see you next time.